Update for 12:30, and then I'm going to bed. Let's see what it looks like now. You guys stay right there. Oh, it's making that raining sound again. I think it is just raining. Front yard's getting a little bit more white. Just raining. Cold, but raining. Try the back porch. Who's waiting for me when I get out? When I come back in, and she's fully charged. Ember's waiting too. Okay, now to check the back porch. My husband has taken the salt that we don't eat because it's not good for us, and he's put it all over the porch. Let's see, that's Jessica's car. I don't think my car will open up. My footprints are still there, so it hasn't been much. We shall see what it looks like in the morning. Good night all. Stay warm.